Hello dear colleagues, I am Sampada.A.Kulkarni from Department of Information Technology, Modern College of Engineering welcomes you for 1 week EFDP on e-content development and effective use of ICT. This EFDP is organized by Modern College of Engineering. In this session, I am going to explain you Google Sheets and its creation from different Google apps. Now let's move to the Google account from where you can create the Google Sheet. So from this Google app, different apps I have already explained in my previous video. Now here we will just directly move to the Google Sheets. After clicking on this Google Sheet, the new page, new tab will be open where different templates are available, and you can create here a blank new sheet. So now I will explain you different templates which the academician can use or useful to the academician. But now currently, first of all, let's understand how to work with the Google Sheet. So now here we will create a new worksheet which is blank worksheet by clicking on this plus sign. Here you can see that I have already explained in my previous video where I have explained the Word or the MS doc we can say, Google Doc we can say, what these different tabs are: owned by anyone, owned by me, or not owned by me, last open, this grid view, and this sorting, and open file picker. I have already explained all these things. So if you want to know more about all these things, you can go through the video which is nothing but the Google Doc. Now here let's create a new blank sheet over here, spreadsheet we can say, sheet or spreadsheet. So this is your new and blank spreadsheet. Now what the different things we can do with this blank spreadsheet? So first of all, we will give the name to this spreadsheet, untitled spreadsheet, or the Google Sheet we can say that my first sheet. I am giving a name to this sheet which is nothing but my first sheet. After that, it will get saved automatically on the Google Drive or the space allotted to your login. Now these are the different options which are available with you. Now if you are familiar with the Excel, Microsoft Excel sheet, then many more things are same or as it is with this Google Sheet as well. So I am not going to explain you all these things. I am here explain two different things which we can use very easily while we are working online. So now let's start here. There are different things like in the file we can share it with different people. Now currently it is private to me, it is not yet shared with anyone. If I want to share it with the my colleagues so that, or my team members, so that we all can work together simultaneously at their places. So this is very helpful feature provided by Google. The another feature under the file is new file. New Word document can be created over here. New presentation can be, you can directly move to document, presentation, form, or drawing, or you can create a new or more sheet, Google Sheet, or you can create a new sheet from the given templates as well. Now here you can open the sheet. For the opening of the sheet, it will provide you different options. They are supposed to open a drive, open the sheet or a file from my drive, shared with me. If you have already started the sheets which you are having many sheets with you from which start or the important sheets, that also directly you can access over here. If you have worked recently on some sheets, then also you can directly go to recent tab and you can access them, or if you want to upload it from here, machine, then also you can upload it. So now let's go for the upload option. For the upload option, as I explained in previous session, that we can select a file from your device, or we can directly go to your folder where you have stored your sheets. So here I am moving to this particular folder, and I have this sheet with me that I am dragging and dropping to my browser here, and it will get uploaded. Now after uploading it, what we will do, we will open that particular sheet. So whatever is there in my machine or on my machine, that I am going to create as a new Google sheet over here. So it is going to open as a new separate tab. This is my first sheet which was created by me, and this is the sheet which I have opened, and this is open in the separate tab. In this separate tab, the name to this mark sheet is already given, which was the name given by you in your system when you have saved over there. So now in this way we can open the already existing document with me. Now what are the different things that I can do? They are like, if again the remaining things are, if I will click on the files, what the different things are available with me. So due to some network issue I am not able to open this, please wait. Till now what we will do, we will try whether we can edit the cells which are available with my sheet or not. No, that is also not working. Please wait. Okay, now it's working. Sorry for delay. Now let's start with the next option with file. That is now next one is import. This also will help you to upload a file from your system or from different locations like my drive, shared with me, recent, and all. The next option is with file. It's make a copy, means you can save as this document and you can make the changes. The main important thing is you can download this particular sheet. To download this sheet, the Google gives us different options as download as Microsoft Excel file, download as open document format, as a PDF directly, or these different CSV files as well. So in this way Google helps us to download the file, the sheet in these different formats as well. Now you can rename your document from here, or you can directly by clicking here you can also rename it. Add shortcut, you can add shortcut, you can move from one folder to another folder, or you want to delete it, you can delete it. So these many options are available with your file. Edit, these are the general options that I am not going to explain you. View, the most important thing is we can freeze the cells, the rows or the columns. Now let's start with the editing this particular document. If I am having some header here, that is PES Modern College of Engineering. If I am having a header like this, and suppose one more, these cells I am going to merge, and after that my next cell is about the academic year, for example, we can say that. So here I am again merging these cells. Both the cells I want to align into the center. The text should appear in the center, and here I am giving academic year 2021, say. Now here I am giving the first column as the roll number of the student, then I am giving name of the student, then I am giving the marks for that particular student. If I am having multiple columns with me, marks for subject 1, subject 2 and so on, that is for subject 1, subject 2, for subject 3, subject 4, subject 5 and so on. If I am having these many things with me, and here I can select these two cells, and I can drag over here to increase the subjects. Now what we can do over here, if you are going to notice that if I will fill the marks for all these different number of cells, so I am missing the content which are available over here, that is the roll number to whom I want to give the marks. Actually I am not able to see that. So what we can do here also, if I will move to the downward, if I, after filling these many 20 rows, if I am going to fill these 20 rows, and if I will move to the row number 21 or below lines, so you are not able to see that this column number C is for which subject, column number D is for which subject, and so on. So to avoid this issue, we are having a facility to freeze the lines. So here freezing of the what we can say, the rows. So that is, if you want to freeze up to this, I will select this, and here I will select the freeze option from views and up to the current row. And what we can do, for the columns, that is till the name, if you want to freeze the columns, so I will go to freeze again, and I will freeze up to column B. So here what we can do, here the second column is itself, so what I will do, this freeze, and I will go for two columns. Sorry, you can't freeze columns which contain only part of the, okay, so I need to unmerge it. Okay, fine. So I will unmerge it. After insertion of the data, I will merge it again. So now up to this column I am going to freeze it. So okay, now here you can see that if I will move to the subject number, say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, to whom I want to give the marks, that I can see over here. Suppose it's roll number 1 and the name is ABC. This is roll number 2 and the name is like this. So I can give the marks for the subjects which are not visible previously for the roll number and the names as well. Same, if I will move to the down rows, then also these lines or these rows are visible, they are freezed. So this is the main facility given by the Google, where we can freeze the rows. Now after that, the different formula, yes, we can insert in the Google Sheets as well. This is the insert tab where we can insert rows and columns and cells. We can shift them as well. We can insert a chart, we can insert the image. Here a new facility given by the Google is we can insert an image which for a particular cell only. Then what we can do, the next thing with the image is about the insertion of the image over different cells that we usually do. We can insert the drawing, we can insert the form, we can insert the function as well, and many more things are available with this insert option. We can format, here the theme is also can be provided by the user to your spreadsheet or the Google Sheet. For the numbers, the different formattings is given. For text also the formatting is given, font size, and many more things are again available here. So in this way we can create a new document as well as we can upload a new document just like of this. So thank you dear friends for listening and watching my video. If you are having any of the comments, you can please comment it in the comment box. I will try to solve it. For your reference, I am providing you a shortcut link for the next video of this video series, and for your reference again I am providing you the playlist for all the videos from the Google Suite. So thank you and stay tuned with Tech Talks. Thank you.